Today we have a Whirlpool dryer with the error code F01. That means bad control board. Really on the control board is bad. So unfortunately this control board was discontinued and the manufacturer no longer sell it anywhere. So what we're doing today to save the dryer, we're basically soldering it. Now the component wasn't damaged badly, so just like a little burnout around the connector there. So we're just gonna desolder, remove all the old solder, and gonna put a new fresh solder there, and it should take care of the problem. Before fixing this relay connector, we did test the relay that it's good. Basically you connect the 9-volt battery to the connections, and we just needed to double check that it's when it clicks, it's continuity between these two. When it's off, and you can hear the click too, so we can just, when we put the 9-volt, it just connects them together and we can hear the it's hard to do it with one hand, but it's like it's beeping. Yeah, so it's all good. And if we're gonna remove them, it's like loses the continuity. So this is what usually happens when your board working. It just closes. This is the switch, and then it's allowed the power to go through, and this one of the connectors just gets too hot and eventually blows out. Sometimes it's like very bad, and it's lots of dark and burnt spots over here. In this case, it's not always repairable, but in this case it looks nice and still very good shape, so we're gonna save it. Of course, we do recommend replace the control board, and we would replace the control board if we could get a new one. Unfortunately, they just discontinued those control boards. We can find some type of third-party ones like that are not really good. Here is the part number. Yeah, so we're just going to solder it, and it should work for many years to come.